So, guys, it's past midnight, and I am going to tackle this mess that the girls left. Um, Before I go to bed, because I just can't go to bed like this. I like to wake up to a fresh, clean space. So let's go. 12:21 a.m. So, guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you guys so much for your constant support. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Leave me a like and a comment. And I hope y'all are having a blessed weekend. I love y'all. I love her drawings. One, 2 a.m. So that wasn't so bad. I finished in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. Hopefully the girls are still asleep and all they sleep through the night, so I can't sleep through the night. And I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all. So guys, here I am unboxing my UV nail lamp from Ovlux, and let me tell you guys, this product is so amazing. It was well built. It provides motion infrared sensors. It has LCD digital screen. It has 4 timer buttons on the top of it, and it has an adapter connector, which is extremely long, guys. The cord for the adapter is extremely long. The LED lamp is for both hands, head, and feet. Fits both hands in there completely comfortable at the same time. It cures quickly and efficiently. Included in the box is their 1-year warranty. So you get 1-year warranty, and the manual comes in over 10 different languages. I was surprised that it comes with this set of nail buffers, which is a plus. They also include a instruction manual for how to apply your gel polish perfectly, and cure instructions. So you cannot beat that. I absolutely love it.